hizi utakang'ala tayari hizi.
Iko tayari ya. Yes, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Kibet. So I've been shooting videos for quite a while, but today I decided let me try and at least expose myself so that you're able to see the person who is behind these videos. Because at times just shooting faceless videos, it's good sometimes you're able to know who is behind the scenes. So anyway, one of our clients delivered a chair to us. That chair is from Lamu. Lamu is around 700 kilometers from Nairobi, and she really wanted the chair to be revamped. So what happened? We had to strip the on the seat. It had it's something what you call herringbone matting. So what usually happens is a board is usually made. Thereafter, a quarter inch of sponge is usually recessed on that board. Then there's something that is called rattan matting. So the matting is usually recessed on top of the sponge and the board. But you are not able to get that matting. So what we decided to do first is to weld a frame. Thereafter, from the frame, that is when we started weaving using the round cane. So the chair came out so nicely, so we managed to ship it yesterday, and the client was very happy about it. So we had to use Wells Fargo because at least that's the only that's one of the courier companies that can be able to reach that territory, because it's very, very far. Because once you reach Mombasa, which is the south coast, which is in Coast Province, then you have to travel again for another 400 kilometers. So I'm glad the client liked that. So now, what I want to encourage you guys, please like and share my content, so that at least those people who are asking me questions on how we are doing this, they are able to understand what we really do. So thank you so much. In case you have any questions, please feel free to reach us out. My links are in my profile of Facebook. So thank you so much, and God bless.